Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we're going to learn how to log into your SBI bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in sbi.newyork.statebank and click on enter. Now you can close this notification. You will be directed to official homepage of SBI Bank. Click on online banking button here. Scroll down a little bit and you can see two options, YONO Retail and YONO Corporate. Select which account you want to get logged in, either it's retail account or a corporate account. Then click on OK. Now a login page will appear where you can type in your username and confirmation code. You need to type the confirmation code by taking reference of this image. If it is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and the code will be regenerated. Now click on login to your account button to log into your SBI bank account. If you have forgotten your password or want to change your password, click on this link and follow the instructions. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.